So now that the drone is in place, I'm about to get to the motor that's really the problem. Always remove the battery when doing manual work on your drone, because you do not want bad luck to destroy anything. Clean the inside out, because when I crashed the drone, it did a number to this entire side of the drone. That is gonna be okay. So this is the motor that's the problem. All the rest of the motors spin fine, kind of. That's a big difference. So I'm gonna flip this over, remove, and get you a good screwdriver like this. The Greenlee reversible screwdriver. I have a video on my channel about this screwdriver. It's just a bomb. First thing you're gonna do, remove the LED cover from the bottom of the drone. And then there are some screws down here. Let's see, there's there's 4 screws on this side, and I guess that's it. So 4 screws gonna come out from there. So I'm about to open up the box. So the solo drone motor come with the box, some instructions, some extra screws, 4 screws, showing you the position of where this thing goes. So flip it over, remove the cover, then catch those 3 screws there, and there's these two connectors. Really, it's 3 connectors. One look like a bunch of wires, and look like 2 specific, probably a positive and negative post on the other end that's shown right here. So this is the motor. Installation guide on the motor. New motor comes out, spins beautiful. So this is what it's gonna look like when you take this thing out. See if I can get some light on this for y'all. So red lead, black lead, and a multi-connector. So I'm about to remove it now. There are 4 screws on the back that I'm about to remove. And this motor only costed $50 on eBay. It probably was way more expensive whenever this drone was new in 2016. But that's the price of it, today's money. I'm probably gonna speed this up. Use real time talking, but just speed this crap up, because I know you don't want to see me just unscrewing a whole bunch of crap. I know that's boring. I know how YouTubers really do not have tolerance for people doing boring things on uninteresting things like unscrew screws. We want to see that. Y'all want to see some drone footage. Y'all want to see other things. So after taking this out, this is it. So to pull this out, just take a look at the instruction manual, I guess, on how to remove this thing. One instruction manual in Spanish. Get the one for your language. So get your fingernail in this slot. Fingernail in, pull back. Now it's released. And with these, simply pull them out. That's the old motor. New motor. So the wires are, it's self-explanatory on where these wires go. When you look at it, the red is going to go with the red, continuing with that red wire. And the black is going to go with the black. Put that in black wire. So I'm guessing this thing should only be able to go in one way. So let's see what will happen if I try to insert it upside this way. No fit. So this only could go in one direction. So you line this up pretty good, pretty perfect. I mean, these are foolproof, because I am a fool. So now that that's in, so once these are in, stuff all this down into the bottom of the drone. See that? To the bottom of the drone body, like this. So you're going to push this in and then push down on the top. Until it snaps in. Snapped in, spinning perfect, looking good, looking beautiful. So these two are my blacks and silvers. Black propellers go here, silver propellers go here. So now, flip this over, screw this in place. Use the new screws since they came with new screws. Might as well take advantage of these new screws. And I would also say, buy you a couple extra motors. Have you one motor for the good old jig rule. That's just in case you crash. So this is the Savage Scientist, the governor of the state of Swampland. Until I make my next video, peace out.